Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a nickname in the Instagram chat. The steps are super easy and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and head to your DMs. Once you're there, select the chat in which you want to change the name. For this example, I'll choose this group chat. Now, click on the profile icon in the chat. At the top, you'll see the option to change the group's profile picture, name, and photo. Click on Change Group Name, and you can easily edit the group name. After making the change, don't forget to hit Save to apply the changes. You can also change the group photo while you're here. But here's the catch: if you want to set a nickname in an individual chat, unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide that option. The person's name in a chat is set by them, and you can't change it on your end. So, you can only set nicknames in group chats, not in one-on-one conversations. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can set a nickname in an Instagram chat. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our quick tech tutorials.